Hi everybody, welcome to yet another video. In this video, I'll talk about command injection in VI and what to do if it is restricted. Let's say you are not able to perform command injection. So a bit of backdrop, let's say I am in VI and as you can see this is a clean Vim terminal. Now I'm trying to execute commands in this, right? The way to do it is just typing colon followed by an exclamation mark and then ls. This will print out or this will execute the ls command in the system. So as you can see, it has done it, and within the music I have a folder called music, and as you can see this is my terminal. But what to do if this is restricted? Now this took me a while because I was trying to research a lot into how to perform command injection when all the commands are locked out. So I came to know that there is something called DAC colon R that allows you to read files, but I wasn't sort of interested in this because in this way I had to know what files actually exist. So while trying to go through Stack Overflow, what I came across is something called explore. Now if you do this, you can view the entire file system. So I can just by tapping on this, I can go to different web directories or sorry directories. I can tap on double tap like dot dot slash and it'll take me to the previous directory, and similarly like this. So this is how I was kind of able to read sensitive files without actually knowing their names. So explore is one of them. There are a lot others, like there are two more to be very exact that I saw in the Stack Overflow, but I think you should research them out. This is really fancy. Just to quit out of it, just type in colon Q and you will exit out of it. So this is how I ended up like reading the file system.